Paul R. Tregurtha aerial bridge.
Paul R.
Channel 10, please.
Channel 10.
On 10?
Yeah, the Paul R on 10.
Cap, I'm wondering if, are you going to keep just going slow? Will I have enough time to get down and clear some traffic before I go back up, or do you want to just keep going?
It's kind of up to you. I'll hold her back and let you clear it if you'd like to do that. Otherwise, we can try and time her here. But yeah, whichever you would prefer there. If you want to clear your traffic, that's fine.
Yeah, that would work really good if I could do that. And then I'll head right back up right away for you.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Aerial bridge clear.
Paul R. Tregurtha, Spruce Clan. Have a good trip there, Captain.
Thank you. Same to you.
Please welcome to the stage the Queen of the Lakes, the Paul R. Tregurtha. The Paul R. Tregurtha was built as the William J. DeLancey in 1981 by the American Shipbuilding Company at Lorain, Ohio. She measures 1,013 feet and 6 inches in length, 105 feet in width, and 56 feet in depth. She's powered by two 8,040 horsepower, 6-cylinder Mack diesel engines, which give her a top speed of 14 knots, or about 16 miles per hour. She's also equipped with a 1,500 horsepower bow thruster to aid her maneuverability in port. There is known as the Captain's Salute, one long blast of the horn followed by two short ones. It's the most common greeting between the ships and the bridges here at the canal. If you see any crew members on deck, make sure to give them a big old wave and wish them a safe voyage across the big lake. The Tregurtha has a load of coal that they picked up at Superior Midwest Energy Terminal in Superior, Wisconsin, and they're bringing that down to St Clair, Michigan. The Paul R. Tregurtha has 36 hatches on her deck, which open into 5 cargo holds located below deck. Each hatch covering measures 65 by 11 feet and weighs 6 tons each. She has a maximum carrying capacity of 71,300 tons. Above her deck is a 260-foot self-unloading boom, which allows her to unload her own cargo at a rate of 10,000 tons per hour without the aid of shoreside equipment. The Paul R. Tregurtha is currently owned and operated by the Interlake Steamship Company of Middleburg Heights, Ohio. Once again, we have the Paul R. Tregurtha departing today, built as the William J. DeLancey in 1981. Current rating Queen of the Lakes, which means she is the biggest ship that we see here at the canal, 1,013 feet and 6 inches in length. If you see any crew members on deck, make sure to give them a big old wave and wish them a safe voyage across the big lake.